Makaih.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back. Part 4 of Wrecked Cobra Rebuild. So we're gonna get started, but we got some stuff to announce here. So we had our first t-shirt giveaway on the channel, and we were just going with one name, but we had so many ads that we had to come up with two, because one of them is absolutely 100% priceless and right along the books of the way that we think here at 520. So we're gonna go with the official name that can actually go on a license plate, and that one goes out to the Illegal Garage. They came up with Ecdysis, or Exodus, something like that. We'll put the spelling of it, but it is a scientific name of a snake shedding its skin, which is really what we're doing here. We're shedding the skin, and it's coming back bigger and better and badder in life. So, Illegal Garage, sweet. You guys got a t-shirt on the way coming. We will we'll get with you, and we will get your information and get it out to you, what size you need and all of that. So the other one goes to John Tagger. John, when we heard this, we all laughed out loud. But the unofficial name of what we've been calling it around the shop since you said it, and you were the first person to say it, is Poledancer. It is absolutely hilarious, and we love it. So we're sending you a t-shirt too. So we're gonna send you a comment, and for you to give us the information to get you a t-shirt out. Once again, guys, we thank you for the names, all of you, and it's awesome. Our subscribers are growing by the minute, so please, those of you that are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, press the like button, and join us for this fun. So we are going to do more t-shirt giveaways in the future, so just keep up watching, and we'll let you know what we're going to do and what it is. So this episode, or this part, we're going to finish taking off the aluminum and get it stripped down to the full chassis, and then we're going to get all the wiring off, and hopefully in this video we'll get down to where we're actually getting bars off and cutting that kind of stuff off. So that's what we're starting with. So let's get it done.
Yep, they use just as much glue on your side.
Yeah. All right, we're done with the aluminum. What'd you think of that, Gilly?
Oh yeah, fun.
As you can see, there was a lot of glue. Now we got to come up with, once we wash it, we got to come up with a way to get this off. Hopefully our 4400 PSI power washer will do the job. Or maybe salt sandblast it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So next, we're going to move. We're going to get the harness out. We're pretty much going to continue to strip this thing down to where it's nothing but the frame. So harness, pedal assembly, brake lines, e-brake, and that's next on our little trip. So here we go.
I'm starting to shake.
It's not light, guys.
Oh yeah. You want to lift on that, Greg? That wasn't ready.
Watch forward.
Oh, I got a rear engine. Let's put it over here. Let's roll forward a little bit. Free air. Kick it over. Kick on it.
Yeah.
There we go.
There it is. Dude, that's a nice dolly.
Worked out perfect. Yeah, it's high too.
Way up in the cleaner. All right.
It's working.
All right, she is clean. The Poledancer has been stripped. Yes. So, yeah, she's clean. We're gonna start cutting bars and getting her straight, getting her cleaned up so we can start putting new bars on. All right. Weird. But whatever. We're leaving it.
That's true.
Come on. It doesn't. Also, it doesn't hurt to.
I like the frames when they're like this because they just look like a toy.
Yeah, well, it is a toy.
Well, I know, but it looks so funny. Tinker toy.
Yeah.
And you put all the stuff that covers it up and it looks like a car. Which isn't bad.
Flying through the air. You have to use it. You have to. It's over here.
was trying to put these here so maybe it'll stop rolling backwards.
Nah, don't worry about it.
Oh, so they're out of the way. You know? Kids, don't play with fire. Jesus.
How dangerous is this? Less with fire.
Well, at least you have to set up a frame up for me over there. A nice little chair. Their safety flops.
Right?
You get all
Hey,
three
Gilly,
sides.
do you want to put your face in it?
Mad gas, that shit is hot.
Oh, I'm making fun of you because on the wheelies you put your face right in it.
Remember when we were building the Jeep and you like went down?
Copper buckles there. Just so you know too, when it comes time to do the motor mounts, it's going to be loud.
You wouldn't have to be scared if you were wearing a clutch shoes. Just saying.
Don't do like I do. Don't wear flip-flops when cutting.
What's up?
Or can. I don't care.
We're going to have to go. That flat again.
What are you even going to do here?
Knock it flat like we did everything else.
It's gonna be flat.
That is stupid.
No wheels.
No wheels. Wait till you see me hit Greg in the kneecap right now.
Or the head comes off and it catches me in the nuts.
That's what you think. Keep eating.
I got scared.
You're not gonna hit you. If I do, it won't be that hard. Don't do anything just yet.
Straight to the face. Flame straight.
Something. Did it?
Yeah.
Was it cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't think that was good.
There it is, go.
Going?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you can definitely, you should be able to play that.
Here, you, while it's still hot, I didn't want to hit you in the face. That's why I didn't want to just keep pulling on it.
Jesus.
There it goes, Kelly. Got me in the titty.
Oh, almost chest plate. Almost worse.
Oh, got me in the titty. Got me in the titty.
Going.
Wow.
Who's out of there?
All right, so you've just watched us kind of succeed, but we're really fighting. We're really fighting it without a rosebud torch. So we're gonna get one. We have one. We just gotta go find it in the trailer. So good things today. We got all the sheet metal off. We got the car cleaned. We got pieces breaking off in here. Got the motor mount straight. But to fix all of this, we really need to get it hot. So we're gonna get it hot. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're new here and you want to keep watching, please subscribe. Please hit a like to this. We're gonna take inventory. We're gonna get find out what metal that we need to get this week, so we can start putting this thing back together. Come next video, once we get all of this straight. We touch on one thing here. You guys are going to see us, and we're going to talk about this again. You're going to see us weld this bar back in. We're only going to weld it in temporarily to facilitate straightening this arm. But we are going to cut this out and put a whole new piece back in. I know it would be okay, but we want to do it correctly, so that's what we're going to do. So, till the next time we see you guys, for Gilly, myself, and Adam, who's floating around somewhere because he's a race car driver, we'll see you next time.